Hey y'all, look at this. Oh my God. Y'all know what it's mean. Let me see, can y'all see it? There we go. Hey Ladybug. Hey Ladybug. Look, I'm talking to the Ladybug. Hey Ladybug. Y'all, ladybugs mean so much in for spirituality. You hear me? When you see a ladybug, it means so much. You can take it as a renewal. It's time for a renewal in your life. It's all about protection and security. Hey, ladybug. So flow within, y'all. Be resilient. Be resilient. Be strong. Be knowing. If this resonates, then eat from the plate. If it does not, at this time, leave it for someone else. Y'all have a good day. Bye.